Hello students, welcome to our first video tutorial of how to play the piano, and this is a great approach in learning the piano as fast as you can. I mean, it will be very fast that you will be able to play a tune in no time. Okay, so this will be one of a series of videos, and this is done during, you know, lockdown, during COVID-19 outbreak. So stay safe and, just learn an instrument. Okay, so first of all, we have 10 fingers, and of course when we play piano we usually, of course, we use them all. So the numbers, we call the numbers, like, for the both the thumb are number one. So this is one right and one left. So both index fingers are, number two. So number two right, number two left, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so those are the finger numbers. Now when we play the piano, we make sure that our hand is like holding a ball underneath, so like this. Okay, so make sure your position like this, and when you press the keys, it should be on this part, this, not on the tip, but middle of the tip, and on like this. Okay, so one more thing: if you are positioned or sitting down, your hand should be at least your elbow should be at least around 90 degrees. So it's letter L. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, so we should, on the piano, we see this two black key, three black keys. So the groupings of two or black keys are in twos and threes. So two black keys, three black keys, two black keys, three black keys, always like that. And there's one that has no black key in between. So we will position our hands like this. So just imagine you are in the middle of the piano. So I have this piano. This is not a piano, actually. This is a controller. I just got it when I got home, and I wasn't able to get my bigger piano. But anyway, so this one is the two black key. Beside the two black key on the left of it is called the do. I'm not sure if you have heard already the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, or do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do in some parts of the world. But yeah, so it's also the same as the C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. There's no H. We go back to A. Okay, so do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, so that is those are the notes to play melody or to play a piano. Anyway, so we position our thumb on the middle, our right thumb on the middle of the piano. So this is the two black key. On the left of it is a do. So I'm just positioning my thumb there. Now I'll position the index finger, right index finger, onto the next one, and the next one will be there, and the next one will be there, and the next one will be there. So each key should have a finger pressing them, or pressing it. Okay, so this is for the do, this is for the re, this is for the mi, this is for the fa, this is for the so. Okay, now for the left hand, it's the same thing. It's do, re. So we position the pinky onto the do. So this is the do, and this is the re, mi, fa, so. So this is do, re, mi, fa, so on the right hand. So in the beginning, we will have to separate the do for the right hand and then letters for the left hand. Why is that? Because we want to make sure that we separate confusion. I mean, we don't have confusion when I'm teaching you some things. Okay, so yeah, I hope you will be very very fast in learning this piano according to my approach. But anyway, so this is the do. For the right hand we will use do re mi fa so. For the left hand we will use C D E F G. Okay, now okay, so let's start. Let's try to push both thumb first. Thumb, 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 index, 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 me, 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 and then ring finger, and then so, ring finger, and so, just repeat that so that you will exercise those fingers. So you just start with the thumb, both thumbs, so you can do it not just 4, you can do it 10 times or 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those who have instruments, you will really feel the resistance of the keys. But those who are just using the improvised cardboard, then just imagine the resistance, or just imagine the sound. Anyway, okay, so just repeat that. Now after that we will have to just do the right hand first. So I will show you the one I did. So this one is the one I did. So we just need to start with the right hand first. So the right hand are do re mi fa sol la ti do, if you remember. Okay, so yeah, let's just try to play do do do. Okay, so remember, this is the do, the thumb, right thumb. Yeah, so do 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 do, and then of course, what's the next line there? It's re re re. So the re is the index finger. Re 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 re, then mi 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 mi, do 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 do. Okay, so let's try to do it again one more time. One. By the way, you can just rewind this one to master it or whatever. So that you can yeah, this is YouTube, so you can rewind it. Okay, sorry. All right, let's try to do it again one more time. Do 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 do, re 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 re, mi 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 mi, do 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 do. Fantastic, good, very good. So you did it. So that's for the right hand. Yeah, so again, we just did 3 notes, do re mi, not yet fa or so. We did not do anything like that yet. So for the left hand, if you see on the piece, there are letters there on top of each note, on top of each of a do or a re, right? So when we see this C on top of this do, we need to press them together. So vertically, they are aligned vertically, so make sure you press them together. Okay, so let's try it. So for the right hand it's do. Okay, for the right hand is do, for the left hand is C. So again, the letter of do is C. Okay, so letter name of do is C, so we just press the pinky there, that's the C, and then we just press the do here, so together. But on the second do, there's no C anymore, so we don't need to press the C anymore. We can just hold it. So hold it until the end of the passage do 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 do. So let's try it. Okay, so together, these two together. Yeah, so do 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 do, and then when we go to the next line, again you can repeat this over and over so that you can master the first line if you want. And then for the second line, it's re and G. This is the G because it's C D E F G, right? So this is re. So we press the G, thumb here, and then index finger on the right. Okay, let's try it. Re, 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 re. Easy, right? Yeah, it's easy. Okay, so and then let's go to the third line, which is mi and C. So we can press this mi together with the C there on the left. Okay, let's try it. Mi, 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 mi. Okay, some of you might not be able to do it, but try it. Okay, especially the middle finger. It's really hard for those. If you're still small, you're 4 years old, 5 years old, then yeah, it might be a little challenging, but definitely you can do it, right? So I know I have some kids, students who are really young, and then they have done it. You're oh, you're ready for challenges, right? Good. So this is me, and this is C. So yeah, let's try it together. So me, 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 and then last line is do and C there. So let's try it. Do, 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 do. Get it? Perfect. Yeah, good job. All right, so let's try it again. So let's try the full piece now. Are you ready? All right, let's try. Let's go. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, 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 do. Re, 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 re. Me, 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 me. Do, 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 do. Again, you can slow this down to 0.75% so that you can follow along, or you can just rewind and rewind so that you can make it perfect. Okay? All right, cool. So this is the first lesson, and the next lesson we will do another song, and it will be again, each lesson will be higher difficulty. So yeah, I think you are always ready for a challenge, right? Yeah. Good. So see you next time for the next video, for the next lesson. So you just practice this one, and yeah, see you again next time. Bye bye.